if tangent theta is equals to 4 by 3 and sin theta less than 0, its mean tangent is positive and sin theta is negative. Tangent positive tangent is positive in third quadrant, so the triangle will be in third quadrant. Triangle will be in third quadrant. This will be the theta. Now, according to given statement, tangent is equals to minus 4 by 3. It's mean it was minus 4 and minus 3 because tangent is positive, and tangent is positive only in third quadrant. In third quadrant, base and perpendicular both are negative, so these two will be negative, and by cancellation they shows as positive. So tangent, according to formula, tangent is perpendicular over base, hence perpendicular is minus 4 and base is minus 3. There is missing hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is unknown in this question, so we can find value of hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras formula. Perpendicular square plus base square whole root. Perpendicular is minus 4 and base is minus 3 whole square divided by under root 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25 and square root of 25 will be 5. So hypotenuse is 5. Now all three values of right triangle are minus 3, minus 4 and 5. Now unknown trigonometric ratios will be sin theta perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is minus 4 and hypotenuse 5. Cosecant theta is reciprocal. Hypotenuse over perpendicular is equals to minus 5 by 4. Cos theta is equals to base over hypotenuse is equals to minus 3 by 5. And secant is equals to hypotenuse over base is equals to minus 5 by 3. Tangent is given, so we will write here cotangent cot theta base over hypotenuse, which is minus 3 by minus 4 or 3 by 4. Now question number 9. If sin theta is equals to minus 1 by under root 3 and terminal arm of angle is not in quadrant 3, then find the values of tangent theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. इस क्वेश्चन में बेटा हमारे पास जो टेंजेंट दिया हुआ है साइन थीटा दिया हुआ है वो नेगेटिव है, एंड दे सेड दैट द टर्मिनल साइड मीन्स एंगल और थीटा and arms of angle is not terminal and arm of angle is not in quadrant 3. Then we will find the values of these, and in the first quadrant all values are positive and there is tangent negative, sine negative, so theta do not lie in the first quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive, here is negative, so it is not possible to the angle lie in this quadrant. These two quadrants are free, and they said that this is not lie in third quadrant. In this statement they said that theta do not lie or the terminal arm of angle is not in this third quadrant, so remaining quadrant is 4, and we will draw here the triangle, right angle triangle, and this is the location of theta in fourth quadrant. So sin theta, if sin theta is minus 1 by under root 2, it's mean sin theta, formula of sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. It's mean minus 1 is perpendicular and hypotenuse is under root 2. There are two values. Perpendicular is minus 1 and its hypotenuse is under root 2, but base is unknown. We will find base by Pythagoras theorem. Base equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square root. Now we get base equals to Hypotenuse is under root 2 whole square minus perpendicular is minus 1 whole square. So base will be equals to, this root will be cancelled by square, 2 minus this minus will be changed into plus, 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So base is equals to 1 under root, or this is equals to 1. Base is also 1. Now this is base, hypotenuse and perpendicular. And now we can write all the required trigonometric ratios like this. Tangent theta required is tangent theta, and formula we know that perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is minus 1 and base is 1, so it is minus 1. Tangent theta and secant theta. Secant is the reciprocal of cos theta, which is base over hypotenuse, so we write here hypotenuse over base. And hypotenuse is under root 2, base is 1, it is under root 2. And third one is cosecant theta. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse, so we write here hypotenuse by perpendicular. It is hypotenuse is under root 2 and perpendicular is minus 1, it is minus under root 2. So these are the required 3 trigonometric ratios, and this is the figure of this question.